Well, hello friends. Thank you so much for joining me here today. This is a midweek, maybe a Thursday, Friday video, depending on when I get it edited. But basically with Valentine's Day being right around the corner, what I've decided to do is add a second video for the week, or maybe a third, depending on my time, displaying more crafts and Valentine's Day treats. With love being such a special thing and the love of God being so profound, it's important that we celebrate that, the love He gives to us, and what He did for us through His Son, Jesus Christ. So today I'll be making a truffle brownie. I'll be showing you how to do that, and then of course I'll end my segment by tasting it and then having that with a cup of tea or maybe coffee, depending on how I'm feeling. I make a lot of desserts on this channel, but I don't necessarily keep the dessert here in the house. What I do is I share the desserts with friends, and what they do is they take them to their staff who enjoy, the things that I create. So that's my plan for the day. I'm not sure how long the video will be. I'm thinking it's a shorter video. And I will get started now. Thank you so much again for joining me here. This recipe calls for a good semi-sweet chocolate. Here I'm starting the process of making the chocolate and butter, melted chocolate and butter, to add into the batter a little later. Now I beat the sugar and the egg together for about 4 minutes. I'm wiping down the sides, and then I'll beat for another 30 seconds or so. This will now bake at 325 for about 40 to 45 minutes. And while it bakes, I'm now prepping to make the chocolate ganache. It's finished and needs to cool for at least 90 minutes. Warmed heavy cream. Now I must place this in the refrigerator for another hour or so. And voila. It's quite good. It's not too sweet. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, have a great week and I'll see you soon.